Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Walgreens video for you guys. These deals started on Sunday, November 21st, and they are good up until Saturday, November 27th. But before I get into these deals, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you will go ahead and click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload new videos. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into these deals. Okay, you guys, so I actually did a total of 3 transactions, but I only have this transaction pictured on my thumbnail, but I actually did 3. So I'm just going to go ahead and quickly tell you guys about all 3 transactions. So the first transaction that I'm going to start with is going to be this transaction with the 4 Downey fabric softener. So this week, the Downey and the Tide Simply, they are buy 3 get 1 free, and they are priced at $3.29. So you're going to purchase 4, 3 are going to ring up at $3.29, and your 4th one is going to ring up free. So $3.29 times 3 is $9.87. For me, I had a $5 store coupon that was expiring, and then I also used a $4 registry reward. So I used a total of $9 in savings. So $9.87 minus the $9 in savings that I used, that brought my total down to just 87 cents for all 4 of these. And this is a nice way to use your store coupons, or if you have any registry rewards that you just want to get rid of, this is a really nice way to use them. But let me just go ahead and show you guys that receipt really quick. So as you guys can see, all 3 rung up at $3.29. The 4th one did ring up free. There's my $5 store coupon, $4 manufacturer coupon, and then it brought my subtotal to 87 cents. So I did go ahead and pay that using my Walgreens MasterCard, and then I didn't get nothing but 8 cents back for this transaction. So I'm already low on Downey in my stockpile, so this was the perfect way for me to stock up. And then in my second transaction, I went ahead and I grabbed 4 more Downey, and I did this at a second Walgreens store. So I grabbed 4 more Downey fabric softeners, and then I grabbed 3 of the Scott paper towels. So I've already explained the Downey, and so with the Scott paper towels, they are just priced at $5. We do have a $1.25 IVC coupon in the Walgreens coupon savings book. And then in this transaction, I had 3 registry rewards that I wanted to go ahead and get rid of, totaling me about $13. So let me go ahead and show you guys my receipt for that one. And then I also wanted to use Walgreens cash so that I did not have to have a high out of pocket. So there are the other 4 Downey, 3 at $3.29, the 4th one free. And there are all 3 of my Scott at $5 each. The store IVC coupon did come off 3 times, so $3.75. I used the $3 manufacturer coupon, a $4, and a $6. It brought my subtotal to $8.12. With taxes included, it brought my total to $10.33. And as you guys can see, I did use $10 in Walgreens cash, so I only had to pay 33 cents out of pocket, which was great. And then I only got back 11 cents. So that is what I got for both of those transactions. Really happy with those transactions because, like I said, my stock is very low on Downey, and then I also needed to stock up on some more Scott paper towels. So using those registry rewards were the best way to use them. And so now with my transaction right here, so this transaction I did online, you guys, and of course whenever I am shopping online through Walgreens, I always go through the Rakuten's app. Okay, I always go through the Rakuten's website so that I can get some extra cash back. And one thing I've noticed with the Rakuten's website when shopping through Walgreens this week is that normally we will get back 3% in cash back, but I noticed that we are actually getting back 6%. So if you are planning to do any Walgreens online shopping, I highly recommend you go through the Rakuten's website so that you can get 6% back on your purchase. If you are not using Rakuten, I will have the link in the description box below. So the first deal that we are going to start with is going to be the Crest and the Oral-B. So I went ahead and I grabbed 2 of the Oral-B toothbrushes, and then I grabbed 2 of the Crest Scope mouthwash. These products are priced at $3, and the deal is when you spend $10, you will receive a $5 registry reward. So you're going to want to purchase 4 products at $3, and that's going to bring your total to $12. We have a 6 off of 4 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $12 minus that $6 digital coupon, that will bring your total down to $6. And then you will get back a $5 registry reward, which I did receive right here. So that will bring your total down to just $1 for all 4 products, or it'll make each product just 25 cents. And then next up, I went ahead and I grabbed this Perel Advanced Hand Sanitizer. And this is priced at Walgreens for $2.99. We do have a $1 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $2.99 minus that $1 digital coupon, that will bring your total down to $1.99. And then you will receive back a $1 registry reward for purchasing the Perel, which I did receive right here. So $1.99 minus this $1 registry reward, that brought the total down to just 99 cents for this Perel. Also, you guys, let me take a quick pause because I forgot to mention this. Also on this online order, I did use the promo code TAKE25 for some additional savings. Now the TAKE25 did not come off for each item in my cart. It only did select items. So I'm just telling you guys about the deals right now. And then at the end, I will tell you guys how much that TAKE25 promo code took. So next up, we have Colgate. So I went ahead and I purchased 2 of the Colgate Total Advanced Toothpaste, and these are priced at Walgreens for $3.99. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive $4 in Walgreens cash. So you want to go ahead and purchase 2 at $3.99, and that's going to bring your total to $7.98. We have a $2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $7.98 minus that $2 digital coupon, that's going to bring your total to $5.98. Then you are going to get back $4 in Walgreens cash, which is going to bring your total down to $1.98. Then you guys, if you have the coupons.com app downloaded, there is a $2 coupon on the coupons.com app. So if you submit your receipt to coupons.com, you will receive back that $2. So $1.98 minus the $2 that you will receive from the coupons.com app, that will make both of these tubes of toothpaste completely free, plus a 2-cent moneymaker. And then I also went ahead and I purchased 2 of the Cinnamon Toast Crunch cereal back there, and they are priced at $1.99 this week at Walgreens, and I purchased 2. So $1.99 times 2 is $3.98. I had a $1.50 off of 2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $3.98 minus that $1.50 digital coupon, that brought my total down to $2.48 for both, or it makes each box just $1.24. And then I also purchased 2 of these Owl Made makeup remover wipes, and these are priced at $5.99. The deal is you will receive a $4 registry reward when you spend $10. So you're going to want to purchase 2 at $5.99, and that's going to bring your total to $11.98. We have a 5 off of 2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $11.98 minus that $5 digital coupon, that will bring your total down to $6.98. And then you will receive back a $4 registry reward, which I did receive right here. So $6.98 minus this $4 registry reward, that brought my total down to $2.98 for both, or it makes each one just $1.49. And then I went ahead and I grabbed 2 of the Shea Moisture African Black Soap, and these are buy one get one 50% off, and online they are priced at $4.19. So one will ring up at $4.19, your second one will ring up half off at $2.09. So $4.19 plus $2.09 is $6.28. We do have a $5 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $6.28 minus that $5 digital coupon, that will bring your total down to just $1.28, or it makes each one just 64 cents. And I noticed that they had to do a substitution because I grabbed 2 of these, but it looks like they were out, or they only had 1 in stock, and then they just gave me this smaller one. So I didn't trip about that. I just took the smaller one. But yeah, and then I went ahead and I grabbed this Olay Regenerist Vitamin C. So this is priced at Walgreens online at $9.49. We have a $10 digital coupon on the Walgreens app, but it took off $9.49, making this completely free. And then lastly, you guys, I went ahead and I grabbed 3 of the Simply lemonades, and these are priced online at $2.49. I purchased 3, so $2.49 times 3 is $7.47. We do have a $2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $7.47 minus that $2 digital coupon, that brought my total down to $5.47, or it makes each juice just $1.82. So that is everything that I got in this transaction, you guys. So everything rung up like it was supposed to. Some of the items rung up at the price reflecting the Take 25 promo code. And then all of my digital coupons came off because I did it online. So it brought my subtotal to $25.78. Take 25 took off a total of $3.12 on this transaction. So $25.78. I did use $20 in Walgreens cash because I did not want to have a high out of pocket, and I paid the $5.78 out of pocket using my Walgreens MasterCard. And then from this transaction in Walgreens cash, I got back a total of $4.79. The $4 came from the Colgate get $4 in Walgreens cash when you buy 2, and the 79 cents is extra. So $25.78 minus the $4.79 that I got back in Walgreens cash, that brought my total down to $20.99. Then I got back $10 in registry rewards, my $1 for the Perel, my $5 for the Crest, and my $4 for the Olay. So that's $10 in registry rewards that I got back. So $20.99 minus the $10 in registry rewards, that brought my total down to $10.99. Then since I shopped through Rakuten, and Rakuten is giving back 6% cash back, I got back a total of $3.73 from Rakuten. So $10.99 minus the $3.73 that I got back from Rakuten, that brought my total down to $7.26. Then I submitted my receipt to coupons.com, and I got back that $2 coupon for the Colgate toothpaste. So $7.26 minus that $2 coupon that I got back from coupons.com, that brought my grand total down to just $5.26 for all of these items right here. And this is a total of 17 items. So this was a really great transaction for me, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section what you all are getting, or what all you have gotten so far this week at Walgreens. Don't forget to submit your receipts to Fetch Rewards. If you are not using Fetch Rewards, I will have that linked in the description box below, along with my code on the screen for you. When you sign up using my code, you will receive 2,000 points. So that is going to be it for this video, you guys, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.